what we call this. I will tell you. We call it make faces or make a face. So we can use it in both plural and singular form. Let's look at some examples together. The teacher scolded Mary for making faces at her from end of the class. Or my sister was making faces at me when my mother wasn't looking. Or sometimes when we see children do this, or maybe you are talking with your partner, your friend, or your husband, your wife, and they make some kind of these things, and they make faces teasing you, or I don't know, in middle of argument, I don't know. So what should you do to ask them to stop it? It's very easy. Just tell them, don't make faces, or don't make a face. See you later.